Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, isopropyl alcohol, lint-free cloths, and new thermal paste. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid any contamination. First, power off your HP16 af1014ns and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible. Next, locate the screws on the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew and set the screws aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back panel off, you'll see the internal components. Take a moment to observe the layout before proceeding. Now, locate the CPU and GPU, which are typically covered by a heatsink. Unscrew the heatsink screws and gently lift it off. You may need to wiggle it slightly to break the seal of the old thermal paste. With the heatsink removed, you'll see the old thermal paste on the CPU and GPU. Using a lint-free cloth and isopropyl alcohol, carefully clean off the old paste. Ensure that both surfaces are free of residue. This step is crucial for optimal thermal conductivity. Once cleaned, apply a small amount of new thermal paste to the center of the CPU and GPU. A pea-sized amount is usually sufficient. When you reattach the heatsink, it will spread the paste evenly across the surface. Now reverse the disassembly process. Place the heatsink back onto the CPU and GPU, ensuring it aligns correctly. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Next, replace the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws to secure the panel. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about the hassle. Finally, reconnect the battery and power on your laptop. Monitor the temperatures to ensure that the new thermal paste is functioning effectively. Regular maintenance like this can significantly improve your laptop's performance. If you need assistance, we provide professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the best advice for your device. And remember, we can give you a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. No calls, no travel, just a simple, efficient service right at your doorstep. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.